Welcome to HubofkidsPS. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Let's draw often trying with me.
Hello kids, welcome to HubofkidsPS. Today we are going to have so much fun with alphabetical drawing. Let's draw, let's learn and see the letters loud. E is for aeroplane. Zoom in the sky. F is for arrow. Swish fly by. F is for avocado. Yum green and hard. F is for arms. Hug your friend. Oh my. Ba is for ball. Bounce up and down. Ba is for book. Read studies all around. Ba is for bow. Tie it neat and round. Ba is for banana. Peel and much it sound. Cat is for cup. Sip juicy. Hooray. Ka is for cat. Wear it bright orly. Ka is for cloud. Float up and sits foot. Ka is for car. Room drive hurry. Wow, you did an amazing job today. This is the end of today's alphabetical drawing. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't worry, the fun will be continue in the next video. Allah Hafiz.